Securities Exchange Charity Trading Day, during which they are expected to raise funds towards conservation and protection of elephants. And our reporter and news anchor Abi Agina is there. He will be giving us that update. He now joins us live from the Nairobi Stock Exchange. Abi, quite a busy day there. Kindly give us a status update as of now. What's happening as far as the raising of funds is concerned?
Well, many thanks, Akisa. Well, here at the NSE, it is the Charity Trading Day, and we expect to see a lot of various stakeholders coming together to raise funds to save the elephants. Well, last year, a total of 13 million shillings was raised towards saving the elephants, and this is just a show of the business community trying to give back to the society. And it is a day that is normally characterized by seeing various media personalities and celebrities coming over to just take part in raising funds through selling of shares. And Akisa, right now, what's happening at the back, we are just about to start the trading. As you can see, it's a fully packed event and quite an interesting afternoon, and we expect to hear from NSE. And of course, it comes at a time where we are seeing a lot of activity in the stock markets, and we'll be getting deeper into that conversation, Akisa. And quite a host of various personalities in attendance. We have the Manu Chandaria, Darshan Chandaria is around. We have various leading lights from the corporate world as well. And let me just quickly bring in a gentleman who works with the NSE to just give us a sense of what should we expect, and just introduce yourself, sir.
Hi, Abhi, how you doing? Should I hold the mic? Okay, how you doing? Good to see you again. Welcome to the NSE. Today we have what we call our Charity Trading Day. This is the third year that this is running, and basically what happens is that we come together, bring together capital market stakeholders and also leading lights, and we call them personalities in the country, to trade for what they cause. So basically what happens is the proceeds of today's trades that will come to NSE, our revenues, go towards a charitable cause that has been identified. This year we're supporting the SDGs. Whatever we're doing is all in line with the SDGs, so it's in various areas, on, humanitarian relief, gender equality, and this is especially because we're members of, as NSE, we're members of the Sustainable Stock Exchanges Initiative, as well as United Nations Global Compacts. So these are some of the commitments that we have undertaken, and we said that we're going to bring people together, see whether we can raise monies to give towards these initiatives. And in the process, have fun as well. It's good to have you here as well. Yes, yeah. So.
Perhaps why should anyone out there care about this charity trading, and what's basically happening at the NSE?
Well, as NSE, with the market, we believe also in financial literacy. But this is also to help with financial literacy in bringing known personalities and also CEOs of listed companies here. We're trying to involve everyone in terms of trying to know what the capital markets are about, to learn more about the performance of stocks, how they're traded, because I know this is something that we realize that not too many people may know about, or people think that only a few people know about them. So we're just trying to see whether there's a way that we can broaden the knowledge horizons of the members of the public in terms of trading. And I said, at the end of the day, it's trading for a worthy cause. We also, in a sense, giving back, in a sense, community service investment and sustainability. So it's one of our sustainability initiatives. Yes.
I understand the target for today is raising 10 million. Will we achieve it or not?
Well, we have been working hard to even get sponsorships prior to today. So we'll combine the sponsorship amounts to what we get in today in terms of trading revenues. We've also had sponsors who have come on board in kind, who have really been supportive to make this possible, whether it's food and other logistics, drinks and other logistics. And cumulatively, we all consider that to be part of giving the sponsorship, although of course tangible money we'll know that when at the close of trading, after 3 p.m. So we hope we'll get to the target, and we hope that this is something that will become an event that will grow, that everyone will be interested in being part of. Yes.
Oh, many thanks.
My name, by the way. I don't know whether I said my name. Kuria Waithaka is my name. I'm the Legal and Corporate Affairs Director at the NSE. You're welcome.
Many thanks, Mr. Idhaka. Pleasure speaking to you. Well, Akisa, like you've heard it, it's going to be a lovely afternoon. We expect to see a lot of activity here as various people try to just tease each other and raise money towards a good cause that is saving the elephants. Well, you can see the brokers behind me. These are the stockbrokers who will be taking part in this particular event. And let me just a quick word from you in regard to, we are live on KTN. And it's interesting to see the stockbrokers, they are here. And Akisa, it's going to be an interesting time in regard to raising funds and also just trying to show people what really happens at the Securities Exchange. And as you can see, Akisa, a lot of various personalities are already here. Right now, we are seeing they're getting ready to start off. And we have our very own Betty Chalo. And perhaps as a stockbroker, just talk to us, what should we expect this afternoon?
So we're basically trying to do as many trades as we possibly can. Betty's already done a sell of 1 million Safaricom shares, so I think we're in the lead right now.
Yeah.
But we're just trying to raise money for charity, so it's all for a good cause.
And I've always wondered, why do people do the red coat? Who are stockbrokers?
It's an
looks
NSE
really nice,
thing.
by
We
the
look
way.
sharp.
Yeah. Is it like globally or?
No. It's, I think just here. I don't know what other countries may wear other colors, but for us it's red.
Betty, what's your experience so far?
I love it. I mean, having new experiences, learning something different has been so amazing. And like she said, I've already made my first sale worth 1 million shares, y'all. So I'm really excited.
Interesting. Well, Akisa, you've heard it. Lots and lots of business leaders are here right now. We're seeing CEO for Kenya Bankers, Habil Olaka, Dashan Chandaria. I mean, the big names in the corporate world are all here this afternoon. And at 3 p.m., we'll be going full throttle. We'll be live just to showcase what's happening. And, of course, talk about the critical conversations around the economic sabotage. How is it affecting the business community? And also assessing the state of preparedness for the country. Akisa, that's all we have from this side of town.
All right, and it will definitely be very interesting to see you at 3 p.m. on Business.